Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the NAT Type Unavailable error on your Xbox Series X or S. Let's start with the basics. First, restart your console and your router. Turn both devices off, unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and power them on. This simple step can refresh your connection and fix many network issues. Next, go to Settings, then General, and then Network Settings on your Xbox. Run the test NAT type and test multiplayer connection tests. This can give you more detail on what is happening. After that, you should check your router settings. Open your router's menu in a web browser using the router's IP address. Look for a setting called UPnP or Universal Plug and Play. Turn it on if it is off. UPnP helps your Xbox communicate through your network. If UPnP alone does not fix the problem, you can try assigning a static IP address to your Xbox and setting port forwarding. You forward ports like 88, 3074, 53, and 500 which Xbox Live uses. Consult your router's manual if you need help with this step. Thanks for watching.